Let's see here. Best engineering advice I've ever gotten. I don't know if this is advice someone has explicitly told me, but I think it's a value that's very important, and that's to stay curious, especially in engineering, where there's so much complexity and abstraction, just an ungodly amount of, for any system that anyone's running today, the layers upon layers of technology that have been built, from the transistors in your processor to the entire piece of the hardware, to the operating system, to your particular programming language and environment it's running in, the network it's working on. There is so much complexity. And luckily, a lot of it's abstracted away, and for most people, you don't have to know what's going on. But it turns out that these layers affect each other, and knowing how they operate is critical to, I think, making a really robust piece of software. And so the only way to learn is to be curious. So what happens when I go to nytimes.com, what does that mean? What's actually happening then? But when I run this bit of code, it seems simple, but what's really going on? What's the virtual machine doing? What's the operating system doing? What's going out of the network? And so really to understand the full, to kind of understand the layers of abstraction requires a really persistent sense of curiosity about what's actually happening when I do this very simple thing at the very high level. And I think working with that curiosity makes you a much better engineer. When you actually know what's happening, like how the sausage is made in some sense, it's the abstraction is hiding a lot of complexity, and understanding what that complexity is can actually help you make better software.